Hi, here is Rohde Schwarz SMIQ03B vector signal generator. This instrument was bought on the eBay, not in the best state as usually. Today we will fix it. After that beast boot ups, it shows two errors, 313 and 110. Error 313 is occurred because of a dead RAM battery. How should it be fixed is a subject for one of the next videos. Let's focus on the error 110. It's ALC failure output unleveled. The reason because of what this error occurs is that the output stage of the generator doesn't work properly and that disallows the ALC loop to lock. It's a typical illness of Rohde Schwarz SMIQ, SMT and SME series generators, and it happens because of a dead SHF0189 HFET in the A240 IQ modulator unit. To fix the problem, this HFET has to be replaced. So let's do it. First of all, an A240 unit has to be removed. In a SMIQ03B generator, it's a first unit just behind the front panel. I'm loosening the 4 screws of the unit's fixture and sliding them towards the front panel. After that, all the coax cables must be disconnected from the unit. Now an A240 can be pulled out upwards. The unit is designed in the best traditions of UHF technique. To get inside of it, a crazy amount of 47 screws has to be removed. Now, after the cover was removed, an SHF0189 HFET can be found at the right lower part of the unit. It doesn't make a lot of sense to show a soldering process, but anyway, the HFET was now replaced and we have to put all the things together. Logically, 47 boring screws have to take their place. And after that, the A240 has to be reinstalled. all the coax cables must be reconnected. After everything was done, let's switch on the generator and see what we've got. So there are some new errors. 173, 211, 313, but the error 110 has disappeared. To deal with the other three errors, an internal calibration has to be performed. Let's try to do that. Oops, warning 203. Comment protected. That's not a big problem. To solve it, we need just a first level protection code, which is 123456. And now one more time calibrate. A complete internal calibration procedure is rather long and needs around 1 minute. And now all the errors have disappeared. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's so, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!